Hey boos, in this video I give commentary based on my opinion. Nothing is to be taken as factual. We are just here to have conversation. We don't expose and we don't sip tea on this channel. I'm giving you real talk straight, no chaser. Let's see if you can handle it.
Oh, hell no.
Hi guys, it's Yanie and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a few things that went viral on social media. And first up, I'm going to get into this video that went viral with this girl gifting her boyfriend rental property, I believe for his birthday. And it went viral because of his reaction. This is a man who values materialism over generational wealth, over anything of real substance. And so he was complaining about how he would have rather have had either a chain or a Rolex.
Here you go.
Okay. Open it for me. Let me see. See what she got. What the fuck?
Some cologne.
Cologne?
Yes. Jimmy chose. I bought your rental property.
Hey! Then what about this fucking house? A rental property. Now that's a real boss
I'm
chick
fixing
right
this
there.
shit up.
That's a real boss chick right there. Okay. Oh, okay.
It's size.
I like that. I like that.
Dog, I want like a Rolex, a chain.
What I tell you?
Something. Fuck your rental property.
You got it home, nigga.
Where's this at?
Read it out.
It's on the east side.
Oh, Dex, this on Dex.
Honestly, you guys, this was secondhand embarrassment. Why? Because she is taking on this masculine role within her relationship, and it's really sad. Most likely she's doing this because in return this is what she wants from him. But my whole thing is that he is not married to her, and this gift that she gave him with this whole rental property thing, that is something that you would gift your husband. This is not something that you would gift a boyfriend, because you guys are not legally married. And why is it important to be legally married when it comes to gifts like this? Is because when you are out here buying things that have like a financial attachment or a financial investment or something like that, you need legal documents. You need to be able to hold that person liable for certain things like this when it comes to properties and investing and real estate and all of that. This is something that you would do within a marriage. This is not something that you should do when it's just your boyfriend. I mean, I understand why she did it, but this is not your husband, sis. And like I said on my Instagram story, you can't go around treating every man that you encounter, even if that is your boyfriend, as if that is your husband. You may have to go through 5 different boyfriends before you meet your husband. But if you treating every boyfriend that you have as if that is your husband, then you are going to get used, you're going to get played, and you're going to become very resentful and bitter. This is a man who has a poverty mindset. His mentality is far gone on materialism, and they are not on the same page when it comes to mentalities. And this is definitely a red flag. This is a man that she should most likely walk away from, because he will never be the type of man that she needs him to be, because the type of mentality that he has isn't one that is on her level. I would love your thoughts and opinion on this viral video of her gifting her boyfriend this rental property. Let's go ahead and move on to my next topic. So this tweet went viral, and of course the Dusties picked it up and ran with it and turned it into something that it wasn't even supposed to be. So let's get into this. The tweet reads, "Don't let a woman knock you off your game, bro. If she wants to go to dinner every night but never offered to help you make money so you can pay the bill, that's not someone who wants to help you build. Draining your pockets for a woman who's not your wife is a dub." Moving on to his caption. So his caption reads, "Are you really trying to put in the work with me or nah? And honestly, your wife wouldn't even be draining you because a real wife multiplies any seed. It's just not in her nature. Watch out for the fake. PSA, before all the stay-at-home moms comment below, I'm not talking about y'all. I have respect for what you do as a stay-at-home mom. That's a hard job, very hard job. I'm talking about the ones who got their hand out but never want to put a hand in. This tweet was cute and everything up until he said, draining your pockets for a woman who's not your wife is a dub. Let me say this, draining your pockets for a woman who's not your wife is a choice. Your financial situation has nothing to do with me being a girl that you are simply dating. His message was very confusing to me because one minute you think that maybe he's speaking on men who have wives, and then the next minute is he speaking on men who are dating. It's a very, very confusing message, and that's why I say it's dangerous, because the Dusties took this and ran with it. Now they're trying to make it seem like, oh, well, I don't have to court a woman because she should be understanding of my financial situation. If you are broke, what are you doing dating? This goes for people, period. Broke people should not be dating. Broke people should not be on the scene. Broke people, this includes emotionally and financially. You should not be on the dating scene dating people broke. It doesn't even make sense. Either you're broke or broken. You don't need to be on the dating scene at all, because you're just gonna cause problems. Then this is where he really lost me. He said, are you trying to put in the work with me or nah? Do you want a woman or do you want a man, sir? It's a question that I need to ask him because it doesn't make any sense to me. Do you want a woman or do you want a man? You know what's sad about our generation when it comes to millennials? They don't know what it means for a woman to play her role and for a man to play his. A woman is supposed to help maintain what you build. She's not supposed to help you build. I don't know where we got that from. You know, I kind of do. The feminist community, you know, the feminist movement, this whole, oh, we need to be equal to men. No, we don't. That's not our place. So now you got men walking around with this mentality. Are you going to put in the work with me or not? Do I look like a man to you, sir? Do I look like a man to you? So I don't really like this message at all. It doesn't fit my lifestyle and the things that I want for myself. That's why when you see these men who have this mentality, not all, but most, they come from single mothers, some of them, or they come from moms who are married, who are working mules, who are overworked, and most likely they're overweight, they're unhealthy, they let themselves go, and they're just not even themselves. Like, they've really lost themselves within their marriage, or they've really let themselves go because they don't have anyone helping them. And so some of these men really don't know what it means to have a woman help them but not build with them. There is a huge difference, and we are supposed to help them by helping them maintain what they have already built, but we're not supposed to help them build. That's not our place as women. Moving on to my next topic. So I wanted to talk about Malika posting to Instagram that she has already scheduled her mommy makeover and she has yet to even deliver her baby. So a lot of people were confused by this post because they're like, really? No shame in her game. Okay, so she is preparing to have a snapback and she has already scheduled her appointment with her mommy makeover. So, you know, the sad thing about this is that it's not so much that Malika is wanting to get her body back after giving birth. It's the fact that she's not giving herself enough time to do so. And who's to say that she will even need surgery after giving birth? I mean, the only way you can truly know that is if you give your body time to heal. And sometimes realistically, that could take months, that could take a year, and we have to be honest with ourselves. I mean, these girls are running to the surgery table after giving birth because of the culture that we live in with social media. Social media plays a huge part in this, and these women are running to the surgery table because the snapback is all about competition, and it feeds the woman's ego after giving birth. Like, hey, look at my body, it's perfect after giving birth, and that's just not realistic. So it's really disheartening to see girls proudly post this this type of stuff to Instagram because, you know, we have young women who are looking up to us, whether we like it or not, whether we want them to look to us or not. But we do have young little eyes and hands and ears that are looking, watching, and mimicking what we do. And so it's really sad that she hopped on Instagram to post before even delivering her baby that she has already scheduled her mommy makeover. And it's just really unfortunate that it has came to this as a culture with a social media driven type of culture that now women are literally putting their life on the line, risking it all to get the perfect snapback after giving birth. And it really sucks. I can't wait for us to go back in time where we would just worry about the health of ourselves and baby after giving birth and after going through a pregnancy, because that takes a toll on your body as a woman. I wish we could just go back to focusing on that. But at the same time, I understand, Malika, because the pressure when it comes to women, we are always told how to dress, what to wear, what not to do, what to do, how to carry ourselves, how to earn respect, how to demand respect, and all of these different, you know, things that we go through as women. I understand, Malika. At the same time, it's understandable, but it's just a bittersweet type situation because you want her to be healthy, you want her to feel confident about herself, but is this really the answer? Is surgery really the answer? Is this always going to be the answer when it comes to wanting to change different things about ourselves instead of accepting maybe the things that we can't change? So I'm not really sure. I feel mixedly about this because I understand the pressure that she is under, being that she is a celebrity slash public figure, and the expectations are higher for them, in my opinion. And it's just really sad that she's really putting herself through this and not allowing herself time to heal after giving birth. So that's all that I have regarding this video, you guys. I would love your thoughts and opinions on these topics, so make sure you comment them down below. And if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are notified for when I upload, and I'll catch you in my next one.